If your phone storage is full and you want to free up your space without deleting important files, then here's what you need to do. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So to begin with, let's just get started. First of all, you want to open up your file manager. When you open up file manager, you want to scroll down and go to internal storage. You could see all storage, right? Underneath, you could also see internal storage. So usually, if you don't want to delete any sort of important files and want to free up your space, then you could do this procedure. So first of all, you could go to trash storage and delete all of these trash storage. You could tap on the three dot icon and go to delete permanently. So you could go ahead and confirm this. This is one way of freeing up your space. Next, what you also want to do is, in many of your mobile devices, you might have a lot of unused app, right? So what you could do is you could either long press onto this app. You could then long press and then drag, and you could just drag and drop to uninstall section. If this is going to be a difficult procedure for you, then you could uninstall it from your Play Store as well. Now that you've done this, next thing, what you want to do is, if you have WhatsApp installed to your device, then you could also delete your WhatsApp medias. For that, launch open WhatsApp, tap the three dot at the very top, go to settings. Here, you want to go ahead and look for storage and data, and you could go to manage data, and you could then go ahead and delete unnecessary or large file. As you could see, this is larger than 5 MB, right? You could then press one after the another, select all of it and delete it. So this way you should be able to clear up your WhatsApp media. Next, what you could also do is you could also remove unnecessary downloads. For that too, you have to go to the file section or the file manager, and the homepage will look like this. You could go to the download section, and you can see these are all the download that you might not require. So all you need to do is just select it from the very top, and you could also do this multiple at times. And this way you could tap onto this bin icon and confirm. So this is how you're supposed to free up your space without deleting your important file. Next thing, you could also delete your cache as well. For that, you could go to settings once again, and you could go to apps and locate any of these apps which is consuming much. You could then go ahead and look for storage and cache and clear your cache. So these are a couple steps you could try in order to free up your space without deleting important file. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.